On this episode of Now You Know, we're going to talk about the importance of keeping your dryer vent clear of any lint and debris. Let's break down how a dryer works. There are three main components to your dryer. First one is a rotating tumbler that rotates and tumbles your clothes as they dry, a heater that heats the air in which your clothes are in, and a dryer vent that goes from the dryer to the outside air. Water from your wet clothes will exit your home through steam by using these vent pipes here. Sometimes your venting will be run below the dryer and out of the house that way. Each home is different with how the venting is run. During the drying process, lint is pulled from your clothes. Some of the lint will exit through your dryer vent, but most of it will get caught in the lint trap here. It is super important to make sure that you are cleaning out your lint trap before or after each use to prevent buildup, or worse, cause a fire. Lint is a very flammable material, and according to the U.S. Fire Administration, there are 2,900 house fires caused every year from a dryer. 27% of those fires are caused from a clog in your dryer vent. On average, you should be cleaning your dryer vent every 6 months. But how do you really know if your dryer vent needs to be cleaned? When your dryer vent is plugged, the hot, moist air has nowhere to escape to and ends up staying within your dryer, which means your clothes take longer to dry. This is not only hard on your dryer, but this can reduce the life of your clothes. If your clothes or your dryer are hot to the touch, it means it's not venting properly and you might have a clog. Lint buildup is a very serious matter and should be taken care of as soon as possible. You can check it out yourself, or you can call us at Cardinal Heating and one of our technicians will come out and clean your vent for you. Keeping your dryer vent clean and clear of debris can keep energy costs down, can extend the life of your dryer, reduce the overall maintenance, and keep you and your home safe. And now you know.